First thing you want to do when encapsulating any kind of nail is pick your glitters. I'm using the Playboy bunny and flowers and some dot glitters. Next, we're going to take our nail glue or any glue builder gel that you use. I'm using the Beetles Gel X Kit, and this is what it comes with. It's basically a builder gel. We're going to take that, apply it to our entire nail, and then start placing in our sequins and our glitter. This, you don't have to worry about it being perfect because beauty is in the eye of the beholder, and glitter nails are just super cute anyway, really. So have fun with it. Don't forget to check the description box for any links. I'll go ahead and link down below the glitter dots, the glitter flowers, and I can try to find something similar for the Playboy bunny sequin, but I honestly got them so long ago on eBay. It's kind of hard to find that exact grid, but I'll find something comparable and I'll put it down there for you. Now, the key to keeping your Playboy bunnies and your flowers more visible on the other side is placing them down first and then sprinkling the background glitter or the dot glitter that I'm using. That way, when you turn it around, the Playboy bunnies and the flowers have already kind of reserved their spot, seats taken kind of deal. So you'll be able to kind of see where other things need to be, and they'll be more prominent in the nail. I haven't really seen too many encapsulations with like Apres or like Gel X nails in general. I know there are a couple of like flower ones, but I feel like that's all they show are flower encapsulations. So I wanted to do something different and see if we could encapsulate, chunky things. I think as long as you have a good underside and you seal the bottom right and it's not like super rough and it's somewhat smooth, it's gonna be okay. So after you have all those placed, go ahead and throw that in your lamp for a minute, bring it back out. But before we do that, let's go ahead and prep our nail. This is going to go on my middle finger. Now I will say this is what I love and adore about the Beetles Gel X Kit is you don't have to do a base layer of like base gel on your natural nails. No, you literally prep, dehydrate, and prime. You add your nail glue to the nail and then you just put it on top of your nail, and it's just so amazing. So because we're encapsulating this nail, what we're going to do is apply the nail glue, aka builder gel, to the entire thing to encapsulate it. So instead of encapsulating with acrylic, you're encapsulating with the builder gel. Then we'll add a layer for our natural nail, and what we'll do is we'll put that under the lamp and then we'll cure the top side and underside. Now, don't judge my application, okay? I'm still new. This is like my third Gel X set I've done on myself, and I will say the lamp helps out a lot because I have seen some people struggle with the flashlights, and I didn't want to hold a flashlight in my mouth. So I'm just getting the hang of it. Practice makes perfect, and I'm kind of loving these sets. They're really easy to do at home, no smell, and I don't know. They're kind of growing on me, so I'm sure I'll get the hang of it sooner or later. But look at how cute that nail is! Okay, so for this one, I wanted to do something a little different. We're gonna kind of do like an ombre or like French tip. We'll see. But we'll just go ahead and add our glitters and just start bedazzling it. I am super excited with how these are coming out. I love the vibrant colors. I love the flowers. Ugh, I'm loving these nails. Now after you have your flowers and your glitters and your Playboys all nice and cute, go ahead and throw that under the lamp, and then we will take our builder gel, apply that thin layer, and prep our thumbnail. And then we'll see if we need to add more onto like the French line. I wasn't sure how far to take the ombre or the French, whatever we're gonna end up having this be, but we'll figure it out right now. Oh, did I also mention you don't have to etch the nail and the freaking gel won't come off? Like, ah, love it. Love it. Okay, so yeah, I need to take it down a little bit more. So we'll just come around, add some of the glue, and put some more spangles in. Alright, and it looks okay, but I don't like my natural nail as much, so maybe what we'll do is we'll do a little line of the French and outline it. I think that would be really cute. So for the ring finger, we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing, a full glitter and spangle nail like we did on the middle finger. I love having the middle finger and ring finger decorated and my thumb, pinky, and pointer all the same. I don't know, I just feel like the cohesiveness of it just looks really good, you know. You start it, you have a design, and then you end it. I don't know. Don't judge. Now just remember, you don't want to leave it too bulky where your natural nail will end up being. You don't want there to be like any air pockets or anything like that that can lift with it no matter how well you encapsulate. If it's super chunky, you're not going to be able to get all those like crevices around those bulk of glitter, if that makes any sense. So now I guess it was decided we are doing a French instead of an ombre. That way we can hide that ugly thumbnail and try to make it presentable. But we have to do the same on the pointer and the pinky. You don't have to if you don't want to, but like I said, I like those three the same. So let's go ahead and make a French tip for this one. But what I'm gonna do is instead of gluing it down all the way, I'm just going to kind of like place it over my nail and see how far I need to take the smile line down. So as you can see, it needs a little bit more, so let's go ahead and flip it back over and add another little layer. But okay, looks pretty good so far. Let's go ahead and get that dried and cured, and then we will do that layer for encapsulation, our nail prep, and add that baby onto our pointer finger. I will say my favorite finger to do the Gel X on is my pointer finger. It just looks so satisfying every single time, and it's the only one that doesn't give me issue. It just so satisfying. So for the pinky, we're going to do the same thing and add the glitters so that they form a French tip and a nice little smile line that we will perfect later on. Now that pinky is really satisfying also, but let's go ahead and take our ceramic drill bit. I will go ahead and link this down below. I believe it's just an extra coarse cone ceramic nail bit from Amazon, but we're just going to go ahead and clean up our cuticles and make sure we get rid of any excess glue and kind of shape the nail better to our natural nail. So I won't file the entire nail, I'll just clean up the sides and the tip and then the cuticles only. I'll cleanse with alcohol after, and my gel has always stayed on the nail, whether it's gel art like this or painting the entire nail. Alright, so next we're going to take our liner brush and the white gel, and we're going to paint a border around the nail, side, and top. And then we're going to do a nice smile line. I like them a little thick, so we'll just do a nice little smile line to connect that border together. And it's going to be an outline French that I have been obsessed with lately. I've seen it everywhere on Instagram. They look so good when they're like with the flowers and stuff. Oh, so good. So let's go ahead and add some French borders to these nails for the ones that have like the French tip nails. Now, don't mind the brown under my pinky. I swear it's nothing gross. It's just I scratched off my eyebrow, okay? Like, literally, I just scratched my eyebrow off. So, I'm sorry, but it's my stabilizer and it helps me keep my straight lines. So, it's kind of in the scene a lot, but it's eyebrow pencil. I'm sorry. Okay, now I'm not even lying. I'm so shocked that these came out so well and the lines came out super straight. Whew, who am I? Alright, so we're going to do the same thing on the pointer and pinky finger. Yeah, they all can't be perfect on the first try like the thumb. I just knew it. So I might have to just kind of start over or clean this up a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some acetone and a detail brush and just kind of help it out and see if we can fix it. Good enough. Let's move on to the pinky. Now after we have all of our Frenches framed with white gel, let's go ahead, throw that in the lamp, and then we can apply our gel top coat. Ooh, ooh. For the top coat, I'm just going to use the Beetle No Cleanse Gel Top Coat. It is one of my go-tos, so let's just use it for this video. Beetles everything. Aye. Now because they're clear nails, I'm going to do the underside as well, just so they're a little bit more vibrant. We'll throw them in the lamp and come back.